This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cabin filter replacement. Open the glove box and detach the damper. Then press in on the sides of the glove box to lower it completely. Remove the cabin filter access door. Pull the cabin filter straight out of the opening. Orient the arrows on the new filter in the correct airflow direction, then slide it into the opening. Install the access door. Notice the up arrows showing the correct way to install it. Raise the glove box and reconnect the damper to the side of the glove box.